Beneath the quiet hills of Everdawn Valley, hidden deep within the earth, lay the legendary crystal caves. Stories told of their beauty, glimmering walls, glowing gems, and streams of liquid light. But few spoke of the cave's greatest treasure, the Prism of Eternity, a jewel said to grant the power to shape destiny. For centuries, adventurers had tried to find the caves, but none had returned. A determined adventurer, 15-year-old Talia, had always been captivated by the tales of the crystal caves. Growing up in a small village where nothing ever seemed to change, she yearned for adventure. One day, while exploring her late grandmother's attic, she discovered a worn leather journal filled with sketches of the caves and notes in her grandmother's handwriting. So she believed in the caves too, Talia murmured. At the back of the journal was a hand-drawn map with an X-marked entrance. "This is it. I'm going to find the caves," she declared, tucking the journal into her satchel. Gathering companions knowing the journey would be perilous, Talia sought out help. She enlisted her best friend, Jonah, a skilled tracker with a knack for navigating the wilderness. "I'm in," Jonah said, grinning. "But you'll need more than my help." They turned to Aya, the village blacksmith's apprentice, who was known for her strength and quick thinking. Aya agreed, bringing along a hammer and rope. "If we're doing this, we're doing it right," she said firmly. Into the depths, the map led them to the base of an ancient oak tree at the edge of Everdawn Forest. Beneath its roots, they found a narrow tunnel descending into darkness. Lighting their lanterns, they ventured inside. The air grew cooler, and the walls began to sparkle faintly. "We must be getting close," Jonah said, his voice echoing. The first challenge, the River of Reflection. They soon reached an underground river, its surface shimmering like a mirror. A carved stone tablet by the bank read, "To cross, you must see yourself clearly." When Talia stepped onto the water, she was confronted by a reflection that moved independently, showing her fears and doubts. "I'm not strong enough," her reflection whispered. "That's not true," Talia said aloud, stepping forward with determination. Her reflection dissolved. A stone bridge emerged from the river, allowing them to cross. The second challenge, the crystal labyrinth on the other side, they entered a maze of towering crystal walls. Each turn seemed to lead them back to the beginning. Jonah noticed faint etchings on the crystals that formed a pattern. "It's a map," he realized, tracing the lines with his finger. Using the etched map, they navigated the labyrinth and found a glowing doorway at its center. The final challenge, the guardian of the prism. Beyond the doorway lay a cavern bathed in light. At its heart floated the Prism of Eternity, but guarding it was a creature made of shifting crystal and light. Its voice boomed, "To claim the prism, you must prove your unity. Only those who trust and rely on one another may proceed." The Guardian began creating illusions, separating Talia, Jonah, and Aya with walls of light. Talia faced a vision of Jonah accusing her of selfishness, while Aya saw Talia doubting her abilities. "These aren't real," Talia called out. "Jonah, Aya, trust me. Focus on my voice." Hearing her, the others pushed through the illusions. The walls of light shattered, and the Guardian lowered its head in acknowledgement. "You have passed," it said, retreating into the cavern walls. The prism's gift. Talia approached the Prism of Eternity, its colors shifting endlessly. As she touched it, the prism spoke, "What do you seek?" Talia thought of her village, where people felt trapped in monotony. "I want to bring hope and change," she said. The prism's light enveloped her, filling her with warmth and clarity. When the light faded, the prism was gone, leaving behind a single glowing shard. A changed world. When the trio returned to their village, the shard's light brought vibrancy to everything it touched. Crops grew lush, the air felt alive, and the villagers, inspired by Talia's courage, began pursuing their own dreams. Though the Prism of Eternity was hidden once more, its legacy endured, reminding everyone that unity, courage, and trust could illuminate even the darkest paths.